Man, but y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to keep it all the way trail with y'all, man. These joints is getting. Welcome back, y'all, to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another sneaker review. In this episode of Penny for Your Thoughts, we talking about one of the dopest collaborations of 2021. This is the second rendition of this shoe. We talking about the Nike Air Max 1 collaboration with Patta Aqua Noise, man. This shoe is crazy. I hit on the sneakers app, so I was excited about that. So you know I had to bring it to the channel so you guys could get a look at these joints. But before we do that, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys will be notified we dropping new content to the channel, and be sure to hit the like button so that way this video can go as far in the algorithm as possible. And follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. I know y'all tired of me talking, so let's get into the shoe. Alright guys, this is the box that the shoes came in. It's pretty much a black box with a bunch of different things on it. You know, you got Patta branding, some sayings on the box. You got Nike, of course, on the box. But y'all don't care about the box. Y'all want to get into the shoe. Here you guys go. Nike Air Max 1 collaboration with Patta Aqua Noise. This is the second shoe released from this collaboration between Nike and Patta. Let's get into the details on this shoe. Alright guys, so on the outside of the toe box you have the Aqua Waves coming up on the left and the right side of the shoe. You have a gray mesh toe box right here. You have gray suede right here. And then coming up on the tongue, you have a beige tongue with the Patta logo and Aqua. You have a gray lace. Keep in mind that this shoe also comes with beige laces also. If you want to swap them out, you can do so. Slide over here to the side. You have the Aqua swoosh logo with the gray suede right here also. You have blue eyelets right here. Slide over to the back of the shoe. You have more of the Aqua Waves. You have the Aqua Nike Air logo with the gray suede back. Slide over here to the inside of the shoe. It's more of the same. You have that Aqua swoosh with the gray suede background. You have that gray mesh right here also and right here. On the bottom of the shoe, you have beige, aqua, and brown. And then you have a beige midsole with a brown airbag. And I just want to say one thing, man, they got this right. They got this shoe right, man. I know y'all know that Air Max 1s is one of my favorite shoes in the world, one of my favorite silhouettes, but these are fire, man. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, I was able to hit on the sneakers app, and y'all know how rare that is. But you know, I've been hitting, man. I hit on these for myself. I hit on the dunks for my son. So, you know, last week was a good week for me, but these is fire, man. I had to bring it to the channel and let you guys get a look at these, man. These are something special right here, man. Great collaboration. They already came out with 2. This is the second pair. I'm hearing that it's 6 in total. So we might get 4 more colorways. I don't know if I'm going to be able to bring them to the channel to you guys, because you know how hard it is to hit for these sneakers these days, especially these collaborations, you know, these special collaborations with these different stores. But I'm gonna need for you guys to do a little homework on Patta, man, because Patta has a lot of classic collaborations with Nike. And the silhouette that they always seem to use is the Air Max 1, and they have a lot of fire joints. I don't have that many shoes that I do want and that I don't have, but most of them are Patta Air Max 1 collaborations. I'm gonna be honest with you, man. They make some dope shoes, man. Whoever's designing this stuff, they do a great job. They also came with a bracelet. It has the Nike logo and the Patta logo, you know, and it came in a black bag, you know, which is dope, and it has Nike and Air Max on it, you know. But these is crazy, man. These is crazy. This is a super dope shoe, my man. But y'all know what time it is. Time for me to rate this shoe. And out of 5 pennies, I'm gonna have to keep it all the way trail with y'all, man. These joints is getting 5 out of 5 pennies. This is a fire shoe, a perfect shoe in my opinion. Everything is perfect on this shoe, man. 5 out of 5 pennies. If y'all disagree with the rating, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. And with that being said, we keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.